Lucid Air. Great looking painting, sporting 4 doors and silver wheels. Nicely detailed front end, I even could see the Lucid emblem there. Same thing goes for the rear, nicely done here. This casting captures the union between the windshield and sunroof. BMW 507. Cool black wheels and cool grille in the side, sporting the BMW emblem. Gotta love that grille in chrome, however not much details on the headlights. Similar to the front, great chrome here, but lack of details on the taillights. Great contrast there with the red interior and white paint. The Lotus Emira. Beautiful details on the side, however it doesn't have side view mirrors. Beautiful front ends with printed headlights and emblem. Very impressive rear end showing the striking Lotus logo as well. Red sparkly paint on the bottom with a plastic roof. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Great to see a Porsche finally in green, sporting black wheels with a silver ring. Great looking front end with printed headlights with the Porsche logo. I really like it when we have license plates and we can clearly see the Porsche logo. Casting all around. I like that sparkling green for this Porsche. The Ducati 1199 Panigale. This is the first time I do a motorcycle, and I like the fact that it can stand on its own. This is the treasure hunt of this series. It tried to capture most of the engine gear. The only complaint I have, it doesn't capture the headlights.